What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up TWS with your Go Party 6. Now we can also link our speakers together wirelessly through TWS, otherwise known as True Wireless Stereo Connection. To do that, we're going to make sure that both of our speakers are on. Then on one of our speakers, we're going to hold down the previous button. TWS paired. Then you'll hear that sound letting you know your speakers are connected. From here we can go into the Bluetooth settings and pair to the Go Party 6. And now when we play music, it's going to come out of both speakers. So let's hear how it sounds. Now one thing to keep in mind is that the TWS only works for music that you want to play back through the speakers and won't work for your microphones. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up TWS with your Go Party 6. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.